For a run through to suit your voice type, check the links in the description below. This run through is for high voices. Today we'll be using our 5 basic vowel shapes going across our whole range using that first melodic thirds exercise. If you're not sure what all this means, check the links in the description below. Scat. Scat, scat, scat. Scattily, 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 scat, scat, scat. If you've watched my video on the 5 basic vowel shapes, you'll remember doing those 2 strings. A, we're going to flip around and make it yeah, and we're going to join it up with a-o. So on do mi, I, on re fa, e, on mi sol, a, on fa mi, o, and on the final do, u. We're going to put a little M sound at the beginning of this exercise to make it super easy to have a balanced onset. Mi, e, a, o. And that is why I like to call it the slow motion cat. Meow. I hope you had a really good workout with this exercise today. If you did, give it a like by hitting that thumbs up button down there. And don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell to be notified if you want to see more videos as they come out. I thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.